Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. Have you ever gone fishing thinking you would catch something big, but ended up catching only jokes and memories? In this video, you will listen to a funny and relaxed English conversation between two friends on a fishing trip. While waiting for the fish, they talk about life, patience, friendship, and everyday struggles, all in simple, natural spoken English. This dialogue is perfect for learning easy English conversation, improving listening skills, and enjoying humor mixed with real-life talk. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this calm fishing side conversation, because sometimes the best catch is a good laugh with a friend. Let's start.
Ah, Bilal, look at this place. Fresh air, calm water, birds singing. This is where legends are born. Today, I feel it in my heart. I am going to catch the biggest fish of my life. Last time you said that, we came home with sunburn and instant noodles. But yes, the view is nice. At least the river is honest. It doesn't promise anything. Okay, step 1 of professional fishing. Confidence. Step 2, equipment. Look at my fishing rod. Isn't it beautiful? You bought that yesterday and already scratched it. Professional fishermen don't remove the price tag during fishing. Details don't matter. Skill matters. Then we're in trouble. Watch closely. This is called perfect timing. He throws line. You almost hit that tree. The fish will come near the tree. The fish are not interested in your excuses. Fishing is mostly waiting. You wait for fish, you wait for luck, you wait for your life to improve. That's deep. Did fishing teach you that? No, life did. Then why are we fishing? Because sitting quietly near water feels productive even when nothing happens. It's moving! It's moving! I told you! Relax, that's the wind. No, this is definitely a fish. If that's a fish, then I'm a dolphin. Okay, it's grass. We've been here 2 hours, 0 fish. Fishing is not about catching. It's about patience. Then why do you look angry? Because my patience is hungry. At least we brought snacks. Ironic. We came to catch food and ended up eating packed food. This is why humans invented shops. You know, fishing reminds me of life. You try, you wait, sometimes you fail, sometimes you get nothing. Yes, and sometimes you realize you were using the wrong bait. Deep again. I'm not deep, I'm tired. Let me try once. Go ahead, beginners get lucky. No drama, just silence. You're doing it wrong. Where's the confidence? Confidence scares the fish. A deal? I think something's there. Don't panic. Slowly, slowly. Well, it's small. Size doesn't matter. Success matters. Then why are you laughing? Because now you have to explain this fish to your family. Even if we don't catch much, I like this. No phones, no noise, just talk. Yes, sometimes doing nothing with a friend is better than doing everything alone. Wow, you sound wise today. The river inspires me. So, what did we catch today? A tiny fish, some memories, and a lot of jokes. Worth it. Next time, we'll catch more. Next time, we'll bring more snacks.